welcome. We are at the Atlassian Summit 2018 in Barcelona. I'm Soumya Menon from Go Group, and joining me today is Lance Knight, SVP General Manager for ConnectALL LLC. So Lance, can you briefly describe the capabilities of the ConnectALL integration platform?
Well, sure. ConnectALL is a company that believes in bringing the value of agility and agile to companies, right? And we do that through connecting people, process, and teams. And ConnectALL is an integration platform that allows you to connect all those different tools together through your whole delivery cycle, your DevOps cycle, or your value stream, and remove waste along that way. And it allows companies to achieve higher levels of agility and be faster to market and react to vulnerabilities quicker.
Right. How does it bring value to our company and business?
Well, when you think about integration, you always just focus on this small piece, which is just, connecting this and that. But there's a higher level value, and that higher level value is the ability to react to things in the market that are affecting your business. Be able to getting to where you're releasing code quicker, where you're putting more things in the market. You're reacting to vulnerabilities more quicker and faster than you ever have before by automating throughout your whole development lifecycle.
Right. So how do you think enterprises can achieve their DevOps and digital transformation goals using integration?
But integration is just one part of the automation piece, right? We offer a great tool that allows you to integrate all the way through, create workflows and integrate all your different tools. But a true transformation requires a cultural shift, and no tool is going to give you that. So when you want to transfer and have a more DevOps success strategy, you have to include changing culture along the way as well. But along that way, you're going to uncover different things that allows you to be more or achieve higher velocity, and you're going to do that through integrating your different tools along that way. And that's using value stream, all those tools, system thinking, all of that allow you to kind of transfer.
Right. So you've been talking a lot about value stream and systems thinking. Could you describe a little more in detail how that is linked to what we offer?
Well, sure. When you look at your whole delivery value stream, from product management tools, PPM tools, all the way through to your CCID tools, your integration tools, your delivery tools, they're all following a stream, starting with a business initiative. And we're removing waste or time simply by integrating those tools and allow you to be more effective. Then at the end of that cycle, we're actually amplifying your feedback loops by allowing information that's coming from those deploy automatic tools, like Jenkins and some of those other build tools, release tools, consistent delivery tools, and allowing those feedback loops back into your development cycle so that what that allows you to do is to streamline that all by connecting them through your different business processes.
Right. You recently wrote about DevOps winners and losers.
Yes.
You have been delivering some key talks about the same. What would you define as the winning strategies that enterprises need to, if you could point out a few winning strategies that...
Well, one of the biggest winning strategies is really looking at your culture first.
Right.
We sell a tool, it's a great solution for integrating those, but if you don't change your culture along the way, all you're going to do is implement tools and solutions. But once you understand where you want to move your culture and your organization to, then you can start to automate with tools like ConnectALL. But really the best strategies are looking at changing the way that IT works, where they're no longer IT enforcers, but IT enablers. Where I'm going to help you enable your process, not enforce the processes in the organization. And changing some of those things that were really important, actually that I helped implement way back in the 80s, 90s, where we wanted to lock everything down and make sure that we couldn't move things forward. But changing culture, bringing those teams together is really what the best strategies are today.
Okay, right. So we recently announced a joint venture between Go Group and Odyssey Software, forming a new company which is ConnectALL LLC. Would you like to talk a little more about the joint venture?
Well, I'll talk a little bit about it. About 6 months ago, we realized at ConnectALL that we had an interesting problem. And that interesting problem is that we had experienced 100% growth in 6 months. Now, it was becoming difficult to satisfy the needs of all of our customers because of that growth.
Right.
So what we decided to do is form a strategic partnership with Orsi, using their sales and support arm to help facilitate that growth and those customers for the demand of our product. And that's really how that happened. It was very interesting about, we made some small changes and the demand for ConnectALL just took right off. And we had a smaller sales team. But now with Orsi and their sales team and their support team and their marketing, we can now satisfy the needs of those customers coming to us for our products and services.
All right. Brilliant. So what can our customers and partners expect from this joint venture?
Well, they can expect world-class support coming from a support team that's been doing it forever, a professional sales team that's going to be responsive and work with them. They can expect more code releases, more product enhancements, and just general a better user and customer experience throughout the whole time that you're a customer of ConnectALL.
Okay, that's brilliant. So that's all we have, Lance, and but don't forget to catch Lance at the DevOps Enterprise Summit and the Gartner Symposium IT Expo in October. He's going to be talking about DevOps winners and losers. Thank you.